Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce the newest products, the two-door refrigerator display cases. And let's take a look at the overall sizes. The overall length will be 47 inches. The overall height will be 80 inches and a half. And the depth will be 28.5 inches. As you can see the front, this have a banner on top, have LED light switcher on the side, right here, and two swing doors. You can see the inner side have LED lights. You keep looking down, we have the controllers right here. It's from the Dexos and easy to set up for the temperatures. And also have the lockers right here. Let me give you the measurement for the inner side. The overall length will be 43.5 inches. And the depth will be 23 inches. And the overall height will be almost like a 49.5 inches. Also, the inner top, they have an air circulating fan inside. The door is soft closed by itself. Let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, the back sides have the standard US 110 plugs right here, and also have the sanitation stickers right here, the ETL, and the product diagram right here. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just contact with us.